This is Arabic Easy for All A1 Arabic courses. Lesson 22, to be in the interrogative sentence. The interrogative sentence is a sentence aimed at asking a question. It ends with a question mark. Let us study the two following sentences to understand better. هل زايا أستاذة اللغة العربية؟ هل زايا إنسانة بسيطة؟ In order to ask a question with to be, in Arabic we say هل, keeping the sentence as it is in the affirmative form. So we say زايا أستاذة اللغة العربية. This is affirmative sentence. هل زايا أستاذة اللغة العربية؟ This is interrogative sentence. The second sentence is describing Zaya's character. So we say زايا إنسانة بسيطة, which is the equivalent in the English language. Zaya is a simple person. This is affirmative sentence. هل زايا إنسانة بسيطة؟ This is interrogative sentence. Step by step, you will, inshallah, understand in deep. Just stay with us, don't go far, because our coming course will, inshallah, deal with to be in the interrogative form or to be in the interrogative sentence. In A1 Lesson 22, we learned about to be in the interrogative sentence. In Lesson 23, we will, inshallah, learn about to be in the interrogation.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you next time, inshallah. في أمان الله.